Hello and welcome back dear subscribe. Today in this video I am going to talk about how you can create MCAT video resume. So I will talk about all those details what you require for it. And even I will share you how you can start your creating resume on MCAT platform directly. So as one type of demo, I will show you the actual platform of the MCAT. You might have left with a lots of questions so far after watching a lots of video on YouTube, Google and so many other sources. I also did the same, but I end up with a lots of confusion and finally I took the MCAT video resume test, that interview, and I am now going to share my real time experience and how you can enhance and you can do your better video resume. So let me add my one point what I missed there. According to old video, I had information that the interview is that video resume creating test is going to be 30 seconds only. But when I took the interview, it was for 1 minute. So that is the difference. And I had planned for 30 seconds, but that was for 1 minute. So while I was taking, I can't put the things as per the need, as that must the best I can't put. So I am sharing this video and creating for you, so you may be aware of all those parameters and you can prepare yourself accordingly and you can proceed. So now you can see here I have the whole recording what I have created, so all those demo. So I will talk about those all things, what the step you have to follow and how you can on for online internship. So before that, let me add what are the requirements you have to meet for it. Okay. So first, this is 1 minute interview. So for 1 minute, you have to tell everything about yourself. Your introduction, like, dislike, hobbies. And goal also you have to add. So let me tell you some process you can enhance yourself before taking the interview. So first you take one paper and list out what are the achievements you have so far. Have you done online courses? Then how many online courses? Have you done any internship? Then internship. Have you done any mini project? Then mini project. What are the things you have? You list out. What you like, you related better, you go related to the job, any technical field. So what you like studying, reading, or knowing the new technology, what the things you like. You mention that things. Then you mention what you dislike. Actually this you can also skip, but you try to give in the positive way. And regarding hobbies, what your hobbies and goal you can go with. So now the second thing is, as this is video resume, the people are going to consider your sound, what type of communication skill you have, what type of your dress up style, and it is going to cover almost everything about you within that 1 minute. So for that you have your gesture must be good, your gesture must be very professional, your dress up must be professional, and even lighting and sound must be professional, like one type of professional. So how you can train yourself? So as I mentioned, you list out those things and then you convert those as a sentence. You write those all achievement and things as a sentence. And then you read out, you practice it. If you are doing the first time, you have the fear about your gesture, your time, in what time you complete, or you are shaking your hand and something you are doing unusual. Then you take the mirror, stand there and you read out. You read out that sentence, you read out, and look in your gestures. What type of gesture you are doing, and what type of you are shaking your head, your mouth, what the things you are doing. So those things you consider. After your completion of that, if you have laptop or mobile phone, then turn on your camera and start video recording. So in video recording, you assume that you are taking the resume, that interview on real time. So you start the timer, you just start recording and start you giving your details, all those what you are going to add in your resume. And once you complete, stop and see the clip, how long that clip is, and what type of vocal sound you are getting, what type of gesture you have over there. Okay. So you do at least 5, 10, 20 times. So till you don't get satisfied with your gesture, vocal cord, and your dress up sense. So you do keep on dress up sense you can do at final. So you need not worry, you just concentrate is the recorded, what you have recorded is looking like professional or not. Your gesture is good or not. So you look at that things, you decide that, and you keep on recording and try. So while you record and watch it, you can rectify a lots of the weakness and error what you have, and you can make the best way. So you keep on, you try. And if you are going beyond 1 minute, whatever you have wrote, if that is going beyond 1 minute, then you just minimize, optimize the sentence. Like there are some sentence we can just cover in the few words. So you just try to rectify the words, sentences, and you just again remove what the unnecessary details, elaboration you remove. You try to make it concise as possible as you can make it concise. Okay. So make it concise and again retry. And once you are able to complete within 55 seconds your all details, so I will also share after this what are the questions they are asking in that interview. So you can prepare yourself and make ready yourself accordingly. Okay. So you have to go that way and you prepare, you do practice 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, and you do recording, watch it, and again do recording, watch it. Okay. And once you get finalized with your, like what you are going to tell, and your gesture and vocal sound, pronunciation you get clear about, then the third thing you have to consider. So while you are giving this interview, you must sure that the lighting is proper. So you go on the like balcony and you make like there is lighting from your opposite and background is playing. Or you go to one room and you just turn on your light, and light must be in front of you, and you are sitting and your background should be playing. Okay, so you try that. And once you decide that place, the next thing, fourth thing you have to consider, there must be no noise, no other disturbances around you. So you better you lock your room while you are recording, or you go on balcony and inform all your surrounding people or your parents, brothers, not to come there, not to call you, or not to move there, here and there that time. So you will not get any disturbances, because you can't get the next time. That is single time attempt. So you make sure that no one is coming to disturb. The fifth thing is the other sound or notification must not come. So if you are using laptop, then you just go and turn off the notification. And if you are using the mobile phone internet or something there, Then make sure your mobile phone is silent, your surrounding electrical devices silent. If you are in room, then turn off your fan or AC. Whatever the things is producing sound, you make sure you have turned off those things. So there will be no noise in the background. Okay. So now the sixth thing is your dressing sense. So you must be professional looking. So I hope you are good at and you can do it. And regarding the face, sometime you will get blurry face, not clear. So make sure your face is dry. Your face not be like with sweat and wet. So your face must be dry. And if your face is not dry, I suggest you use like powder. So that dust powder you use, don't that like paste powder, don't use. Otherwise your video quality will not be good. Your face lighting will not be good. Okay. So this is all external factor you have to take in consideration. And now I hope you are clear with all your doubts. Still, if you have any doubts, then you can ask in comment section. I will be there to share my experience. I am also not expert in this. I am the first time providing my own experience on it, and I hope it is definitely going to help you out. And if this video, if you are finding as helpful to you, then please don't forget to post one comment in this video, so your other friend will get help from that. So please don't ignore and post your valuable comment in this video. So I covered all those external factors, and now I am going to show you demonstration about the real time environment you are going to face on the MCAT platform while you are taking this interview, right? So now at the very first you will get, I hope you have got that one mail on your Gmail what you have registered for the MCAT exam. So you check that you might have got your video resume, provide your video resume within a week. So in that you will get the link of, so you click on link and you also get their username and password. So you just note the username and password. After clicking you will get interface like this. You enter username and password, and then after click login. Once you click login, it will ask you to turn on your camera. So you make sure you allow your camera, otherwise the video resume will not create. Okay. And regarding password, there I will show you again. Okay. So it is asking about save your password. This is not required. You can cut it, and you make sure you allow your camera. This is advertisement, you need not worry. You go to next. Again this is advertisement, you go to next. Okay, so you proceed same way. You make sure there you turn on your camera, right? Okay. So let me show what is the next step. So it will show you the process. You will be now giving MCAT. So this is one type of advertisement, and then you will get personal information. So you have to enter this mandatory field is this. So you check up your details. Okay, and make sure the detail is correct. Okay, then after the next step you have to accept. You can see at the down there is in video maybe you are not getting it, but you will down you will get one button. You have to make it allow, save, and you have to go continue. Let me check it out, it is able to visible or not. It is not visible. Let me make it for you. Okay. Okay, so you can see, I will go at the top. Okay, so you can see here there is, you have to allow, yes I agree, and then you have to go continue. Okay, so I hope I am clear up to now. This is real time I am talking about. This is real time interface you will get. Okay, So then after the next you have to go continue. Once you get continue, then it will ask, it will show like auto view. So this is upcoming one questions and this is models. So before that you kindly note your test ID. Take pen and paper and note this number, test ID. Okay. It is suggesting to take that note. Right. And then you proceed further. Go next. And after going next, here it will ask your permission for microphone. So at beginning, we allowed permission for camera and now it is asking permission for microphone. So from camera it can record the video and microphone it can record your sound. Okay, so make sure you will allow your microphone, otherwise your sound will not be there. Okay, so I repeat, you make sure you allow your camera as well as microphone. And after allow, you have to go and take I confirm both license. You have to term and condition, you have to accept. Okay, so this is real time guys. You will get exactly same platform while you are attempting this interview. And here you can see, I want to stress over here. So it is asking that you have read term and condition, but here no term and condition I got. I don't know you are getting or not. I just got here hello. So I proceeded the same way. It may be different for you. So you need not to worry about that. You just accept and go for continue. And then after it is asking auto view. So what type of view you can go with? So you can use your laptop better. You put your in front. And you can even use your earphone if you think your sound quality is not good, your sound is not enough, not audible. So as I suggested earlier that your sound must be clear in your resume. So while you are recording on your camera and testing, you can easily identify your sound is clear there or not. In case your sound is not clear, then you use earphone and try it, or headphone you use and try it. And this type of your posture must be very formal, and those all your hair and dress of sense all must be professional, right? Okay, so now, and this type of things must not be like your background must be plain, there must not be any other like you can see, and your face and those posture must be very clear, must not be cutting your body parts. Okay, so it must be like this. Okay, so your shoulder must be visible and those things, and your head forward, those all things, and this must not be like this, and also your head not must be like hand on, not like must this, and also you must not be catching your earphone like this and talking. So those things you take in consideration. Okay, so then you have to go on next. Okay, and here this is auto view. So here one type of demo is available. So actually I missed this demo, but this is not is going to evaluated towards your interview. So I missed it. Actually I was viewing the button, there is on the button, there is button, so I was just focusing on that. I was just assuming that is one type of video, so I didn't focus. But while I repeatedly watched my video recording, then I came to know no, there was also one demo track. So you can take this guys. So here actually what you have to do, you have, there is 1.5 line, there's one sentence is, so you have to read out that. So you just read the instruction there. This will not be considered towards your evaluation. This is just for testing the capability of your system, like voice and camera features of your system. So you can take this test. Okay, and then after listen to each question carefully and use allocated time to prepare yourself to respond. So while you are giving interview, it will just ask you some questions and you have to listen that carefully, and after that it will give like 13 or 14 second time for you to get ready for the reply, and then after the recording will start. You have to start and you have to give reply within 1 minute. Okay, so you have to go. Okay, so here is you have to, you just read out it and complete it. You go through this step. You will come to the real time environment and you have to record your interview. So you have to, here you can see here, hi, tell me about yourself, tell me about your what you like, dislike, what your hobbies and what your goal. So this is the 5 questions you have to reply. So like and dislike, as you know, we even don't consider at the high priority while we are going for the resume writing also. So in this case, what you have to do, you just add first your achievement, what achievement you have done, and shortly you involve, and shortly you just include some like and dislike and hobbies and followed by goal, and sound must be clear. Here you can see here now, after asking
What are your
let
hobbies
me play.
and what are your goals?
Okay, so you listen,
Tell me more about what you like and dislike.
sound is there low.
And what are your goals?
Okay, so question completed, and now there is 15 second time to prepare for this reply. So after that, once it complete, you have to start recording. Okay, so after 15 seconds you have to start. Okay, now the time start. My name is Ajay Prasad Kushwaha. I am pursuing BTech third year in CSE with 8.2. Now I completed. So within the time frame I completed, and you can see here, after that your submission will be done and your test will close. So this is the entire demo of this platform. You are going to face it, and I hope this is very clear and you can do your better in this, and this is going to be very helpful to you. So this is all about the tutorials, and still if you have doubt then please do ask me. I skipped my own resume because I had just prepared for 30 seconds and the actual environment it was up to 1 minute. So I did a little mistake, like I want to be a better software engineer, but I included like engineers. So that is the minor mistake I did, but I hope watching this tutorial you will rectify those errors and you can do your best. So thank you all for watching this video, and I hope you liked this video. And if this video is helpful to you, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also comment your experience before taking this interview and after taking this interview. So thanks you all and all the best. Wish you all the best. Please stay at home, stay safe.